Hi, I'm Olga Elsiad, a sugar detox coach. I make quitting sugar easier. In today's video, we will be talking about sugar withdrawal symptoms and how you can reduce them or avoid them altogether. Sugar withdrawal symptoms, like getting really sick when I wasn't eating sugar, was something that was holding me back for years from quitting sugar. Even though I was struggling with serious sugar-related conditions like chronic yeast infections and blood sugar imbalances. About 6 or 7 years ago, I can't remember exactly now, a keto diet became very popular. Everybody was going keto. So I decided to try it for myself. And about a day and a half into doing the diet, that means that completely no carbs, I started to get very sick. I was having chills, brain fog, my muscles were hurting, my joints were hurting, like I wasn't feeling good. They used to call it keto flu at that time. Now they call them withdrawal symptoms. And all the gurus at that time were saying that you just need to push through these symptoms and you're gonna wake up one day feeling so good and all the symptoms will go away. However, this was not happening fast enough for me. I was a mother of 3 young children at that time and I just could not tolerate all the symptoms. So I started eating carbs again and I immediately felt better for a little bit. For some of us, the relief of the sugar withdrawal symptoms just doesn't come fast enough, like the ones I was experiencing doing the keto diet. And we give up thinking that our bodies just need that sugar to function, or we're just not strong enough for that. Almost 4 years ago, I was invited to participate in a program that had a very low-carb diet at its base. And I almost didn't do it because I was afraid of those symptoms of sugar withdrawal that happened to me before that. And the coach that was running the program started telling me that nobody in their program has severe withdrawal symptoms because at the base of the program they have the detox. I did do that program after all, and I was happy with it. And that program became the inspiration for the Sugar Detox program that I offer you right now. This program helps you lessen the withdrawal symptoms and helps you get to the other side of those sugar cravings where you become in control of them and they don't control you. So what kind of sugar withdrawal symptoms am I talking about? What are they, so you know what to look for? Sugar withdrawal symptoms can be physical and psychological. So physical symptoms would be something like headaches, fatigue and low energy, muscle aches and pains. You can feel nauseous, bloating and stomach cramps, chills and sweats, disrupted sleep patterns. Sounds like a virus or a flu or food poisoning, right? Quite often those symptoms are also accompanied by the psychological symptoms like intense sugar cravings, irritability and mood swings, anxiety, depressed mood, difficulty concentrating, brain fog, restlessness. Did any of those symptoms happen to you when you stopped eating your sugary treats? Do you ever get sick once you go on a sugar detox diet? I know, I've been there. But don't worry, it gets even worse. So you went through a few days of torturing yourself with all these symptoms, and then you give up and you eat some carbs, and for a very short period of time you start feeling better. You may even talk yourself into thinking that your body just cannot function without sugar and you're not eating that much and it's all okay. Your body needs carbs, your brain needs carbohydrates to function. And once you restart eating those carbs, you start eating even more of them that you were eating before your detox diet. At the same time, your cravings increase. It's not going to be long until you realize again that you still have a sugar problem and all the health problems that come with it. You may feel defeated and confused, and it becomes a vicious cycle, and then the feeling of guilt starts setting in. In addition, your doctor may be telling you that you need to eat less sugar to insert your own reason, lose weight, prevent your diabetes or stop your diabetes or whatever else is happening with your health. And here you cannot handle even a few hours without a sugary treat. What's going on? Are you really that weak? Well, sugar is very addictive. It is more addictive than most drugs out there. It is hard to break the vicious cycle of sugar without all the debilitating sugar withdrawal symptoms. Many sugar detox specialists out there are telling people to stop eating sugar cold turkey. You suffer through a few weeks of symptoms and then it starts getting better. In this case, the timeline of quitting sugar would look something like this. In the first few days, symptoms tend to be most intense, with strong cravings and irritability. In the weeks 1 and 2, the most acute symptoms will peak, and then they will gradually start subsiding. In weeks 2 to 4, the symptoms will continue to lessen as your body starts adjusting to your life without sugar. People never make it to 4 weeks of sugar detox because the majority of sugar detoxes that are out there last 10 to 21 days. And for some people, the cravings for sugar almost never go away, no matter how long they are on a sugar detox diet. I have found a better way of quitting sugar without all the suffering and sugar detox reactions. In my 90-day sugar detox program, we don't quit sugar cold turkey. We first prepare the body. We start with the gentle detoxing of the body by opening the drainage pathways, which means that we help our kidneys, our liver, and our intestine to accept all the toxins that will be circulating in the body from all the withdrawal symptoms, and this way we lessen the symptoms. At the same time, we gradually reduce the amount of sugar you consume, so you are not suffering through the process. Only after a few weeks of this detoxing and gradually reducing sugar, we go a little bit heavier on the carbs, removing them from your diet. Also work on the gut imbalances that cause sugar cravings. The whole process is gradual, so most people don't even notice that their dietary preferences are changing and they start craving less sugary stuff and more real good healthy foods. If you find this video helpful so far, I really appreciate if you put a like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos on the sugar detox and a low-carb lifestyle. If you watched my other videos on the sugar detox, you may know that there are 3 main reasons why people crave sugar. Number 1 is habits. It starts in our early childhood. When we eat sugar, we get the dopamine reaction. It's a chemical reaction in our brain that makes us feel good. And when we eat sugar, we also get some energy from it. Starting in early life, we become addicted to this cycle of liking sugar because it makes us feel good and gives us energy. It becomes a habit. However, it is easier to work on the sugar habits after we reverse the second 2 reasons for craving sugar. Reason number 2 is blood sugar imbalances. When we eat a meal that is high in carbohydrates, our blood sugar goes up. And then when it goes down, at that point when it's the lowest, we start feeling cranky and moody and tired. It is easy to solve this problem by keeping our blood sugar stable. I have lots of proven to work tips for you on keeping your blood sugar stable in my program, and you can find it on my website as well. Then number 3 is gut imbalances. All the sugar-loving bacteria, yeasts like Candida and parasites, they love people who eat a high-carb diet, and they grow and multiply inside. And to ensure a steady supply of their food, they release chemicals to make us crave sugary foods and carbohydrates. Those brainless critters outsmart us to get the food they need. Correcting this problem and normalizing gut flora is the only way to stop sugar cravings for good. Usually, it takes about 2 to 3 months to rebalance the gut flora and get rid of all the parasites. And that is why it is not possible to fully quit sugar in 10 to 21 days like most sugar detoxes online suggest to you. Let's go back to the sugar withdrawal symptoms. You may have noticed that all those symptoms are the same symptoms for most acute illnesses, whether it's a virus, food poisoning, or something else, or sugar withdrawal symptoms. These are the symptoms that there are toxins stuck in your body and they're recirculating and they need the way to get them out, which means that our bodies need help with the detoxification and the removal of those toxins. Here is a few things that you can do once you start your sugar detox to significantly lessen sugar withdrawal symptoms. First of all, you need to drink a lot of water to flush out all those toxins of your body. You need to add minerals to your water. Minerals promote detoxification of the body, and this way you flush out all the toxins. They also speed up the processes, the metabolism in the cellular level. Make sure your mineral complex contains magnesium, potassium, calcium, and other trace minerals. You need to eat regular meals with a lot of protein and fiber in them to balance out your blood sugar and to reduce the cravings and the symptoms. You need to get enough sleep, and don't be afraid to nap if you have a chance while you're going through sugar withdrawal symptoms. It will help. You need to exercise and move regularly. Once you move, the body flushes out the toxins better. Walking is the best during this time because it's a low impact exercise and allows all the liquids in your body to circulate and to flush out all the toxins. I already told you about the minerals, but I want to stress the importance of magnesium during the detoxification process because it supports your liver and helps you remove the toxins faster and feel better faster. Magnesium is also great for helping you to go to the bathroom and to be more regular, to avoid constipation. It helps you relax and sleep. So it's good in all accounts. To prevent yourself from having severe cravings for something sweet, eat a little bit of fruit, but no more than 2 fruits a day. Practice stress management techniques. Do some yoga, breathing exercises, walking. These are all good to help you feel better and to balance your mood. As I mentioned before, a detox program will make a huge difference in the way your body removes the toxins and obviously respond to the withdrawal symptoms. Watch a video about my 90-day sugar detox program right after this video, and the link will be in the description. As I mentioned earlier in this video, about 4 years ago, I joined a program that was based on the detox program I offer in my 90-day sugar detox program. As I told you, I was worried that I will not be able to tolerate the program because I was worried to go low carb without suffering. But thanks to that gentle detox that you don't even notice, I was able to get through all the symptoms and I didn't even notice them. I was worried that I will suffer again by going low carb. But thanks to the detox program, none of that happened. My body transitioned to a low-carb diet without any suffering, without even noticing it. If sugar withdrawal symptoms is the main reason why you cannot quit sugar, I highly encourage you to schedule a free consultation with me where we can discuss why you cannot quit sugar, and I can help you to cross over this bridge to get to the other side of sugar cravings. If you finished watching this video, I really thank you, and I appreciate if you put a like to this video and share it with your friends who you know that also need to quit sugar. You know that quitting sugar together may be more fun and you can support each other. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.